Listen carefully. Today, it is an interesting topic. We have learnt about proper subset. Today, we are going to learn about proper subset. What is a proper subset? And let us take an example, and by which means we explain the proper subset. If A and B are two sets, then A is called the proper set of B. If A is subset of B and A is not equals to B, here what is the condition? A is subset of B. That means all elements of A are in B, and moreover A not equals to B. That means the elements in A and B are not equal. Some of the elements are equal. That means all elements of A are in B. This symbol subset is used to denote proper subset. Symbolically, we write A is subset of B. A is a proper subset like this. Let us take for example, A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All elements of A are in B, but the number of elements in A is less than the number of elements in B. We observe that the element 5 is in B but not in A. So we say that A is a proper subset of B. Symbolically, we write it as A is subset of B. Next, no set is a proper subset to itself. So, while introducing subset, we have stated that every set is a subset to itself. But here the statement is no set is a proper subset to itself. Null set is a proper subset to every set. So, the number of proper subsets to a non-empty set with n elements is 2 power n minus 1. Yesterday, we note that the number of subsets to a set is 2 power n, but here the number of proper subsets is 2 power n minus 1. Take for example, list the proper subsets of B, the set of 1, 6. The proper subsets are 5. Null set is a subset and it is a proper subset to every set, and a set of 1 and a set of 6. These three are the proper subset to B. We have already listed out the all subsets to a given set. Let us discuss about it also. List all the subsets of P 1, 6. That means the subsets of P 5, 1, 6 and set of 1, 6. So what is the difference from 2, 1 and 2 to here? The P is also subset to itself, but P is not a proper set to itself. Next again, the second concept is superset. Superset means whenever a set is a subset of set B, we say the B is a superset of A, and we write as B is superset of A. Symbolically, the superset is denoted like that and is read as is a superset of. Here in example 1, B is a superset of A. Similarly, we take another example. Let n is the set of natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Z, the set of integers. It contains the elements in n. So n is a subset to Z, and Z is a superset to n. Z is a superset to n. Let us take some other example. 4. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. All elements of A are not in B. So some of the elements, that is 4 exist in A and 4 exist in B. We should not say A is subset of B and B is subset of A. The symbol denotes not a subset of. Next, power set. The collection of all subsets of a set is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. In P of A, every element is a set, not that. Every element is a set. Let us discuss about it. That is, A is equal to set of PQ, then all the subsets of A will be like 2 by 2, the phi and P, Q and the set of PQ. If these are included in a set, that set is said to be power set of A. So that is the concept of